welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This time we have the October 2022 box, so I'm gonna pop right in here. So we've got our little magazine thingy. This is the cover this time. Very nice. We have a couple other inserts. We have one that's... Oh, okay, we'll come back to this guy. But we also have like a new member store exclusive for the Floral Street and Van Gogh Museum Fragrance and Home Collection. It was $99 though, so needless to say I did not buy this one, in case anyone was curious. But if you did, let me know how it was. I'm not going to buy it, but I'm curious how it was. Yeah, and then on this side it has like a spotlight on serums. We're not reading that. So anyway, in here... Cool ideas. There are things I look forward to every year when the weather gets cooler. Pulling out my favorite cozy sweaters, any dessert with cinnamon or spice in the name, and spending a few extra relaxing minutes on my skincare, layering essences and serums under creams to stay dewy as temperatures drop. To keep you glowing all fall long, your box is packed with moisture, moisture, and more moisture. And because I can never get enough vitamin C, your new face and eye creams also feature this brightening antioxidant superstar, so you can double down on radiance, which is even more satisfying than a cinnamon latte. Yum. So, first thing in here, let's find it. I think this is full size even. Is Fleur and B Just Do It Hydrating Serum. So this is $34 and it is in fact full size. So, a serum that single-handedly quenches skin. Why you'll love it. The name doesn't lie. If dewy skin is your thing, this product will be too, thanks to the impressive glow it imparts. Prickly pear seed oil and sea buckthorn oil instantly hydrate skin, a simple but wildly effective duo that leaves no trace of stickiness behind. How you'll use it. Layer it between your new Dongimbi Essence and Belief Cream for a nourishing, moisturizing, radiance-enhancing routine. The perfect way to treat your skin this fall. So there's that, which I love me my serums, so I just have to use one up that's in my current skincare fridge so that there is room to put another one in there. So, but I know what I'm putting in next, and it's not that one yet, but we'll get there. This is definitely a sample size, but this is by Belief, and it's the Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. The full size is $43, and it's only for like 1.69 ounces. This sample size is, does it say? 0.33 fluid ounces, so kind of crazy. You can expect a healthier looking, more luminous complexion over time. Why you'll love it. Like gossip in a group chat with your best friends, skin is best when it's extra juicy, and that's exactly what you get from this gel cream. It's loaded with the good stuff, like radiance-boosting vitamin C, moisture-retaining hyaluronic acid, and soothing vitamin E to give you glassier skin that's bouncy with moisture. How you'll use it? This formula is thicker than average gel cream, so it feels decadent and hydrating on application, giving dry or tired skin much-needed TLC. But it still massages easily into skin and wears comfortably under sunscreen and or makeup. So that sounds like it's going to be a delight to use when I pop into that one. Then, where is it? Oh, I think this might be full size too. So it's the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. And it is $32, which is insane. So why you'll love it. It feels like a dream when applied to tired under eyes, and the buttery formula helps concealer or foundation wear more smoothly on top. The antioxidant vitamin C and niacinamide infused formula coddles the delicate eye area and helps brighten it over time. How you'll use it, tap onto under eyes and over crow's feet with your pinky finger so you don't tug at the area's thin skin. So like the same way you apply any eye cream. But yeah, so we have nice vitamin C goodness. I've got a couple vitamin C ones ready to go as soon as I finish one. Ooh, I'm excited for this little itty bitty guy. Like, this is so fun looking. Like, I'm loving the packaging on this. So this is the Viore Hidden Waterfall Shampoo and Conditioner Bar. It's a sponsor item, to be fair. So $33 for the bundle of full size, I assume. Why you'll love it. You'd think bars would have to sacrifice results in the pursuit of being eco-friendly, but this duo leaves hair surprisingly clean and conditioned without a single plastic bottle. The sweet musk scent is both refreshing and comforting. How you'll use it: rub the shampoo bar in wet hands until it suds. After shampooing, smooth the conditioner bar right onto wet hair from roots to your ends. Oh, there must be 2 bars in here. How will we know what's what? Oh my god, it smells good. Oh. I'm assuming this is probably the conditioner one. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Holy hell. Oh, I cannot wait to use those. Oh my god. That is possibly like the best smelling shampoo and or conditioner I have ever smelled. Like, that is straight up perfume level stuff for me. I'm like, oh. Oh, hello, darling. Oh my god, yeah, maybe $33 for the full size, but, I might have to. I might have to, because that, oh my god. Okay, so is this... No, this is not that. Where's the thing I'm looking for? Oh! It blended into the edge of the box. So, from True and Luscious, we have their Brow Definer Pencil, and I have Taupe. So, brows look naturally fuller. I believe this is definitely full size, and it's $20. Let's get personal. We're so excited you were able to choose your shade of brow pencil. If you missed selecting your color this time, keep an eye out for emails from us for blah 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 blah. Yes, I know. Anyway, so why you'll love it. You can't beat a classic pencil for faking fuller brows, and this perfectly dry, perfectly pigmented formula is as believable as it is foolproof. It comes in a range of shades that work magic on most brows. How you'll use it: short, quick strokes with this pencil easily pass for brow hairs. Focus the most color on your arches, then tails, going easiest at the inner corners. A few passes of the spoolie blends the color with your own hairs. I understand the concept, but yeah, so we'll definitely be trying that soon. And this is what I was grabbing for because I thought it was this. This is from Sephora. They did it again, guys. They did it again, but this one doesn't feel as big of a chip. This is their Sephora Collection Big by Definition Mascara, and this has got to be a sample size, because that is not very big. But, it says retail price is $12. Layers unbelievably well, so you can really build drama. Why you'll love it: everything you want in a volumizing mascara, tons of oomph, impressive definition, comes in this mighty tube without any unnecessary drama like clumps or smudging. We'll see about that. This easy-to-maneuver brush expertly coats even your shortest lashes. Again, we'll see about that. I doubt that. Like, so many of them claim that, and I'm like, yes, my shortest ones still are not covered, but whatever. How you'll use it: 2 quick coats give you bold, feathery lashes, but you can also go to town and pile this on without worrying about clumps. In the brand's testing, 20 strokes with this wand amplified lash volume by 135%, and judging by our own less scientific trials, that 100% checks out. Okay. That was like the dorkiest way they could have written it, but alright, whatever. We'll stick this over here. I'm trying to get it to where it'll tuck in the edges between stuff and not let the thingy pop out. But anyway. So then, where is it? There's not a page. Okay. So this is the Donjimbi Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence EX. So $66 for 30 milliliters. There's no way this is 30 milliliters. It's all in, like, Korean, so I have no idea. Yeah, it doesn't say how much is in there, so whatever. Anyway, I don't think this is full size. Why you'll love it. There's a reason hydrating essences are so popular in Korea. They make skin brighter, dewier, and they layer seamlessly. Donjimbi's is as light as water and rich and firming red ginseng for happy, hydrated, bouncy skin. How you'll use it: layer it under your new Fleur and Bee serum and Belief cream as a nourishing prep step that floods skin with moisture. So I once again ask, do you use this in place of toner, or do you still tone and then put this on, and then continue as you normally would with your routine? Because I'm like, seems like an extra step that, like, doesn't make sense, but explain, if you can, for me. Explain it like I'm 5. Then we have the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator, which is also a sponsored product, apparently. This is a sample size, full size is 4.23 ounces and $34. Why you'll love it. Slough away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells with this creamy, just a little gritty treatment, and then try your best not to keep touching your face because it will be that soft. Over time, it will help pores look smaller and lines fade. How you'll use it, massage a pea-sized amount onto damp skin in circular motions every other day or so. Morning or night is great, and then rinse. Follow your usual skincare routine. Bonus, any product you apply after exfoliating has a chance to work better. Well, yeah, that's pretty true in general when it comes to exfoliators. They have to break it down for even the newbies, though. I get that. And then we have yet more ads for the shop. They have a bunch of, like, duo sets and stuff. And then there's an ad for the new Edelweiss skincare from the Body Shop. Say hello to stronger, smoother skin. It is relevant because of this. We have a sample of the Daily Serum Concentrate in Edelweiss. Which makes me want to sing the song, but I'll get copyright struck if I do, so I won't. But anyway. But yeah, so that was what all was in this box. I'll just stick it there, because as a serum, it should be with the other serum-y things. But yeah, so anywho, that's it for this one. As usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.